We've all been there. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly that paycheck you were looking forward to seems like a distant dream. But what if there was a way to access your earned wages before your official payday? That's where DailyPay comes in. It's a service offered by some employers that allows you to transfer a portion of your already earned wages to your bank account on demand. Now, this sounds pretty darn convenient, right? But with all this freedom, you might be wondering, are there limits to how often you can tap into those early funds? The answer? Absolutely. There are safeguards in place to make sure you don't accidentally transfer more than you've actually earned. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of DailyPay transfers. We'll crack the code on how many times you can hit that transfer button, explore the daily transfer limits, and answer all your burning questions about getting your hands on your hard-earned cash a little bit sooner. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. How many DailyPay transfers can you make in a day? DailyPay boasts a user-friendly system that allows you to make up to 5 transfers per day. That's right. You can access your available funds a maximum of 5 times within a 24-hour period. But hold on a sec, there's another factor to consider, the transfer amount. DailyPay establishes a daily transfer limit, ensuring you don't overextend yourself. So, how much can you actually transfer each day? Here's the good news. DailyPay allows you to transfer up to $1,000 per day. That means you have some flexibility in how you structure those 5 transfers. Need a quick $200 to cover groceries? No problem. Want to transfer the full $1,000 to your account at once? You can do that too, as long as it doesn't exceed your available balance. Now, keep in mind, these limits are set by DailyPay itself, not by your employer. So, no matter where you work, as long as your company offers DailyPay, these transfer limitations will apply. Important side note, it's always a good idea to double-check your specific DailyPay account details and familiarize yourself with any additional limitations your employer might have set. Okay, so we've got the number of transfers and the daily amount down pat. But is there anything else to think about? Absolutely. Remember, DailyPay operates on the concept of transferring your already earned wages. This doesn't mean you're getting paid extra. It just means you're accessing a portion of your paycheck earlier. So, whatever amount you transfer out of DailyPay will be deducted from your final paycheck. It's crucial to keep track of your transfers and ensure you don't end up with a smaller than expected paycheck at the end of the pay period. Here's a pro tip. Think of DailyPay as a safety net, not a free money machine. Use it responsibly to cover unexpected expenses or smooth out cash flow bumps, but don't rely on it to live beyond your means. By understanding the transfer limits and using DailyPay strategically, you can leverage this service to your advantage and take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.